Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to save or download video on Google Chat to your phone's gallery. So here I've already opened my Gmail. I always open the Google Chat through the Gmail apps because it's more practice. So you can do this on the Google Chat apps, but I do this on the Gmail app. So when you click on chat, you'll find the history chat, and if you want to save the video that your friends or maybe colleagues send you, you just need to open the history chat, and then here you'll find the video that is sent to you. So just click on the video. Okay, so just wait. So here is the video. So if you guys want to download it, I'm going to pause it first. So you can just click on the three dots icon at the top, and you'll find the download option. Just click on that, and then the downloading process will begin, and you just need to wait until it finishes. Okay, so I think that's all for me. That is how you can save or download video on Google Chat. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.